Hey, what's up, English legends? I know you stopped saying mistakes like take tension and do mistake thanks to the academy. But there is one thing, one huge hurdle that is still making you sound awkward.
Sidji, I think I know what it is. I tried to tell my friend I was tolerating his nonsense and I said I'm putting up with you. He just looked confused.
Exactly, Joseph. That's the confusion. Phrasal verbs. If you use them incorrectly, your entire sentence falls apart. We're going to fix that today. In this 1-hour conversation masterclass, Joseph and I will dissect 10 bomb phrasal verbs that are used by native speakers every single day. Master these 10 words and people will ask, where did you learn to speak so well?
Let's do this! Subscribe now and grab your pens, everyone. I need to get this right.
Let's get on with the lesson. Okay, Joseph, let's start with a simple one. Look up. What did you used to think this meant?
I thought it means literally looking at something above you, like I look up at the ceiling.
That's one meaning, but the fluent meaning and the one that confuses people is to search for information.
Oh, I see. So the old way I would say I will search the meaning of the word.
The fluent way is I need to look up the meaning of notorious in the dictionary.
Wow, that sounds so much better.
Next, the one that confused you earlier, put up with. This means to tolerate or endure.
Ah, I get it. If I used the wrong English, I would say I tolerate his nonsense behavior.
You're close, but the complete phrase is put up with. Say this, I can't put up with this noise anymore.
I can't put up with this noise anymore. That's a great power phrase.
Phrasal verb number 3, get by. This is a great one for talking about money.
Does it mean to physically move past something?
Not in this context. When talking about money, it means to survive or manage financially with just enough money.
So instead of saying, my salary is small, so I am managing.
You say, it's tough, but we get by on my small salary. Next is call off. Don't confuse this with calling someone back.
What's the fluent meaning, Sedji?
It means to cancel something that was planned.
So the wrong way would be, we had to cancel the wedding.
The fluent way is they had to call off the wedding due to the rain. We have two sides here, turn up and turn down. Joseph, let's start with turn up.
Turn up means increasing the volume. Please turn up the music.
Yes, but the advanced meaning is to arrive or appear. Example, he promised to be there, but he didn't turn up until 9 p.m.
Got it. And turn down?
That means to reject or refuse an offer. Say, I had to turn down the job offer because it was too far.
That makes perfect sense.
That's it. We just unlocked the secrets to using the 10 most confusing phrasal verbs. You've just saved yourself years of sounding awkward.
I feel so much smarter, Sidji. My challenge to everyone is use 2 of the verbs we learned today, call off and put up with, to write 2 separate sentences in the comments. Sidji will check them.
That's right. If you found this masterclass bomb, share it with anyone who is still struggling with do mistake. Hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you next time. Keep practicing and may Allah bless you. Thanks for watching. Bye.